Hello children, we have already completed the chapter and now we are going to start with the textual exercise question 3. As you can see, a chart is given. Now you can see out of these four quantities, that is U, A, T and V, any one quantity is missing here. Out of these four quantities, any one quantity is missing here, and for the first two sums they have asked you to use the formula V is equal to U plus AT. So let us do it accordingly. V is equal to U plus AT. How much is our V? V we don't know, we have to find. Your U is 2 plus A is 4 and time T is 3. So this becomes 2 plus 4 3s are 12. So V is equal to 14. 12 plus 2, which is 14. So 14 meters per second. 14 meters per second. Now in the second sum, as you can see, out of these four values U, A, T and V, U is missing and U is something that you have to find. So again V is given as 20, U is not given, A is 5 and T is 2. So A is 5 and T is 2, so 20. So U plus 5 2s are 10. Take 10 on the other side. So your U is equal to 10 meters per second. Your U is equal to 10 meters per second. So you have seen in the sum the first sum and the second sum, they are asking you to make use of formula V is equal to U plus AT. Moving to the third and the fourth sum. In the third and the fourth sum, you have to make use of the formula S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So in the third sum as well as in the fourth sum, they are asking you to make use of the formula S is equal to UT plus half AT square Now out of the four quantities U, A, T and S, in the third case our S is missing, so that is what we have to find. So U is 5, T is 3 plus half, A is 12, T is 3 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 because it is given as T square. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2 1s are 2 6s are 3 3s are 9, 9 6s are 54. So what is 54 plus 15? It is 69. So S is equal to 69 meters. S is equal to 69 meters. Moving to the fourth sum. Fourth sum, out of U, A, T and S, A is missing. So A is the quantity that we have to find. S is 92. U is how much? S is 92. U is 7. U is 7 and T is 4 plus half A. Your T is 4 into 4. 4 into 4. So you are left with 92 is equal to 28 plus 4 4s are 16 by 2A. So the next step, 92 minus 28 is equal to 16 by 2A. So 12 minus 8 becomes 4, 64 and 16 by 2 is 8A. Therefore 8A is equal to 64. Therefore A is equal to 64 by 8, which is 8. So this is meters per second square. So A is equal to 8 meters per second square. Okay. Now the fifth sum. The fifth sum goes like this. Fifth sum, they are asking us to make use of using V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Now in this example, our V square is 8 square is equal to U square is 4 square plus 2, A is 3 and S is not given. So 64 is equal to 16 plus 2 3s are 6S. In the next step, take 16 on the other side. So therefore 6S is equal to 14 minus 6 is 8, 5 minus 1 is 4. So S is equal to This implies S is equal to 48 by 6. So answer is 8. So answer is 8 meters. Answer is S is equal to 8 meters. And now as you can see, there is no place left to solve the sixth sum. So I will be making use of this full area to do the sixth sum. Now in the sixth sum we have to use v square is equal to u square plus 2as. We have been asked to find the value of u square. So v square is 10 square is equal to 2 square plus 2. A is 5 and S is 8.4. So this implies, from here it implies 100 is equal to u square plus 2 5s are 10 and 10 into 8.4. 10 into 8.4. 10 into 8.4 gives me 84. So 100 minus 84 is equal to u square. U square is equal to 16. This implies u is equal to 4 meters per second. I have got 4 meters per second by taking the square root. So you have seen in this total 6 sums, for the first 2 sums they have asked us to use this formula. For the next 2 sums, S is equal to ut plus half at square, and for the next 2 sums they have asked us to use v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay. Now here children, u square is equal to 16. That has become 4 because we have taken the square root. Okay. Yeah.